Your Excellency, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, on behalf of the both family, the family of the bride and the family of the groom, and the beautiful couples themselves, I welcome you all to this wonderful wedding reception between Jenny and Chris. Ladies and gentlemen, if you are here and you are happy to celebrate with them today, please clap for them. Clap for them, clap for them. Johnny.
Yeah. Don't sleep, wake up. Collect your money, wake up. Collect your money,
trendybeats.com.
wake up. Koniko kala, kala kuya la. Don't walk, you don't try. You supposed to be jai. Kill up, come, you come, person matter, person we don't mind. Boy, when I land softly on the sofa floor. So far, so good, koni bajo.